Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today in the segment of Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. Okay, you guys, we got some talking to do today. Woo! So, if you guys have forgot what the project looked like that I was supposed to be working up, well, I worked up. Let me go ahead and show it to you. Here it is right here. It is the Japanese garden placemats, right? Okay, can you see them? Woohoo! Okay, so but before we jump right into that, you guys, if you guys like my videos, give me a big thumbs up. I would so appreciate it. If you like what I'm doing on my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss another video. Okay, so let's just jump right into this because you guys, okay, so this is what I'm going to show it to you. This right here is the stitch. Okay, and I know you guys are probably thinking, why didn't it work all the way up, Miss Antoinette? So this is the stitch right here, you guys. You are basically doing, when you look at your pattern, you're basically doing rows 2 and 3, getting the pattern. Yeah, it's just basically rows 2 and 3, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. That's the whole project. So the reason why you see that this is not worked up, but this is the stitch right here, right? This is the stitch. And it was because, you guys, I didn't like the stitch. Oh my word. This is the beautiful thing that I love about patterns, because I mean, you can follow them and you can just use them and, you know, create your own. So what I done was, that kind of looks like this pattern, is I got to show it to you guys. Dun, 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 dun. Look how beautiful, right? I love it. I know last time I said I was going to make a runner, but then I was thinking, I said, how cute would it be to just have this right in the middle of my table with a beautiful vase of roses, or even some sunflowers. That would be pretty. And so this is it right here, you guys, what I created. And I didn't do, the only thing I did different, where it says, because in the pattern it do states, let me get my glasses on so I can show it to you, show you guys what I did. So right here where it have you joining, okay, let me this upside down. So right here, all I did, if you see, in the pattern it states where they have you put 3 double crochets, chain 3, then they have you put 3 double crochets in it, then you have to skip 1, and then you do that. But what I did is I did exactly what they told me to do right here. I did the 2 double crochets, then I did the 3 double crochets in this stitch right here, which is the 2, and then I did the 2 and the 3. And so they had it the same way, but they had you decreasing when you got into the 3. Okay. And so I didn't, let me get this one right here. You see, they have you, this is the 2 right here, and this is the 3. But when you get down here, you're actually decreasing in that 3. So it's basically 3, 2, 3. That's what that is. And here it is right here. If you guys can't see it, there you go. And so I just didn't like that, you guys. And if you guys work this pattern up, you know, all the way, I would love to see it. But me personally, I didn't like it, and that's okay. But I did like this right here, and this is just basically alternating the stitches. I put, wherever there's 3, I put 2 and a 3, and that's just went down the line. And I did do the chain 2. So I followed the pattern. I just didn't decrease. There we go. That's what that is. And so yeah, you guys, so that's basically it. It is beautiful. The yarn, the yarn is beautiful. I really like the way it felt in my hand. It is acrylic yarn. And let's get to the measurements and everything. Okay, so it was the where are you? Okay, so it's a 5mm hook, you guys, and you see I'm reading without my glasses, right? So we got a 5mm hook. We have 100% acrylic yarn, which was 232 yards each. So that's this. And then it came in these beautiful colors right here. Okay. And so, yeah. And so that's what I did, you guys. And I'm sorry that I went off script, but I just didn't like it. And I thought I would bring you something alternating, right? So that's that, okay? And so now I want to talk to you guys about the next project. Okay, so this is our next project, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so they call little bit mug rugs. Okay, and I just want to let you guys know I have started this already. And when I got this in the mail, I was thinking to myself, this is so good for me, because on my table, when I'm always having, you know how the water, the ice, and it's dripping down on your table, and I have that IKEA furniture. And yeah, so I need something to go under it because it kind of swells the wood a little bit. And so I have like already worked the first one halfway up already. So I'm looking forward to sharing this with you guys on our next adventure of the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. But I also got something else to tell you guys. Okay, so there have been a couple of you guys, stating as far as like, the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club site and all of this. And, I'm always thinking about you guys. So I was thinking, I can only provide a certain amount of stuff when it comes to these patterns. I try to do my best when it comes to working up the pattern and talking about it, because sometimes you can talk about the pattern and it'll help someone. But there's some people out there that's just not enough. So what I done, you guys, I actually went to find out, how do you guys get extra help when it comes to Annie's kit clubs, right? So I wrote it down right here. So I'm going to share this with you guys. Okay, so once you get to the site of Annie's, soon as Annie's, club, or just the site, when you go to the Annie site, scroll all the way down till you see customer service. Okay. When you see customer service, then you're going to go, I wrote it down right here. So when you go to customer service, you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to see revision and update. Okay, when you see revision. Yeah, revision and updates. Revise and updates. When you see that, you click on that. Okay, when you click on that, you're going to see where it says search by kit. When you see that, you're going to put your kit in there. Ours is the Annie's hook. You ain't got to put Annie, but Hook and Needle Kit Club. And once you put that in there, you're going to get a prompting that says, it's going to be in pink, and it's going to say there's no revision or updates. Okay. But then it's going to say, contact us if you need help with your pattern. Okay. When you click on contact us, when you click on that, there's going to be a form that pops up. And you need to fill that form out. And they do have it where you're able to state your problem, what you're having, and all that good stuff. And then for me, because I was trying it out. And so for me, what I did, they contacted me within 2 days. Okay. Um, and once the person contacted me through email, that's how we back and forth, because they do have you put your email on there. So when we was going back and forth, I mean, just sometimes you can't tell how a customer service is through text or anything like that. But I'm telling you guys, I had the most beautiful experience with the pattern department. I guess that's what I would call them. Because I mean, you can send pictures if you're really struggling. They don't mind if you send pictures. They are always willing to help if there is a misunderstanding. They are just willing to make sure the problem is resolved. And that was one of the things that I truly like, because I'm really big on customer service. And I just really like that about that department. At first, when I did not know how to get to them, I went through customer service, and that was a person who literally talked to me. Um, that was misleading a little bit, because I had to do more steps to get there. When after I got off the phone and everything, I was like, it has to be a more simpler and better way, because I'm always thinking that way. It just gotta be right. So yes, and it is, and it's the way that I just told you guys. So if you have any problems or anything like that with the patterns, if I'm not providing it for you, go. It will take like 2 to 3 days. They do tell you how long it'll take, and all that good stuff. So reach out to them and allow them to help you as well. And I'm happy that I'm able to come to this capacity and help you guys in any way I can. I'm always, just willing to help you guys. So with that said, you guys, I am really looking forward to our next project, and I will see you guys soon. That is it for me, you guys. And yeah, and I will see you on the next video. But remember, you guys, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys later. Bye.